Hello and a very warm welcome. I hope the day finds you well. Thanks for taking the time to join me. Are you in the Christmas spirit yet? I am, I'm afraid. I love this time of year. Today we're making an easy chicken curry. This is a similar recipe to my halloumi and spinach curry, which I'll link below if you're looking for a vegetarian version. This can be made with fresh chicken or would be a good way of using up those turkey leftovers on Boxing Day. You see, I'm already thinking ahead. Here's your list of ingredients, which I'll also list in the description box below. Let's get started. First, wash and dry your chicken. I bought some chicken breast fillets, which made it a lot easier for me. Heat the oil in a large base pan over a medium heat. Add your chicken and gently saute until cooked through. While that's cooking, prepare the other ingredients if you haven't done so already. Chop your onion and cut your cherry tomatoes in half. Once your chicken is cooking well, add your chopped onion and a pinch of salt and saute until the onion starts to soften. Then add the curry powder. I used tikka curry powder, but use whichever you prefer. Then add all the other spices. Give it a good mix and then add the tomatoes, tomato puree, and vegetable stock. Mix well. Season with black pepper and then simmer for around 20 minutes or until the tomatoes have broken down and created a thick sauce. I like to add some spinach to mine as I try and take the opportunity to get some good veg in when I can, but it's not necessary. Once the spinach has wilted, serve with rice of your choice. And there we have it, a nice easy curry that everyone will enjoy. Thanks so much for taking the time to join me, and a special thanks to those of you who've taken the time to like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you again very soon.